Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos and I'm here with the daily giveaway, and as you can see I have all of these bits and pieces here in front of me, and I did promise you a nice giveaway and that was supposed to be yesterday. Sorry I forgot. I'm sure all of my giveaways are nice, but this is one where I've sorted out lots of my bits and pieces, and I have like this selection I should say, to give away today. So let me just show you what you're going to get. I found these gorgeous bows, and I think they were for Christmas decorations or something, but they would be just awesome on a card or a gift box or something. So there are two of those which I think they are just stunning, and there is a gorgeous gold one. I'm sure all of you talented crafters out there can make use of those. And I had all these wooden accents, embellishments. There's some cupcakes, some watering cans. We have a birdie, some butterflies. I see there, they're just so cute. And oh my gosh, some hearts. Some pretty wooden buttons. They're just floral patterns on them. So there's those. And then we have these gorgeous flower buttons. Some apples with little smiley faces. So there are a couple of those. I think there's a couple of baby feet or little feet there. And we have, of course, some little kittens. We can't not have little kittens in here. Look how cute they are. Oh, there's 4 of those. And I think there's some monkeys. And some little penguins. And then a couple of leaves. So there's quite a few little bits and pieces there. Then I have some of these paper bows that I've made with my bow maker punch. So there's a couple of those. Quite a few of the bitty butterflies that have been punched out. Got some nice sparkly paper in there. There's a lot of those, so you could do something quite nice with them. And then we've got the itty bitty flower punch flowers as well. So there's a little selection there of goodies just for you to be crafting with, lots of embellishments there. So let me just move them to one side and let's see who today's lucky winner is. Now look, as you can see, I've nearly used, you get 500 tickets in a raffle book, and tomorrow I have to hunt down a raffle book that's a different colour, because I still have 6 days left, I think it is, and we're at 450 already. So I only got 50 tickets left for this book. So if not, I'm going to be handwriting them, which will be painful, because I have at least, I don't know, 50 plus a day going in here. So anyhow, that's my job for tomorrow, to hunt down a different coloured raffle book. If not, we'll have to think of something else. So let's have a look and let's see who today's winner is. Give them a good mix around. And I have one here. So today's winner is number 353. So check your notifications from me and see if you are the lucky winner. If you are, please email me your name and address. My email address is in the comments box below, and these will be on their way to you. And I will also put in one of the cards that I made today on a tutorial as well. So you'll get all of these goodies. So thank you for watching. Have a lovely rest of the weekend. Take care for now. Take care. Bye-bye.